Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Transform Your Space with Home Extension in Newcastle now. I'm your host, Bob. Let's dive in, shall we? G'day, everyone. Today, we're unpacking a fantastic article, Transform Your Space with Home Extension in Newcastle now. If you're pondering expanding your living space without the big move, a home extension here in Newcastle or even around Lake Macquarie could be your ultimate game changer. It's not just about adding square footage, it's about boosting comfort, increasing property value, and crafting your absolute dream home right where you are. Think of the flexibility. A larger kitchen, an extra bedroom for the growing family, or a dedicated home office. It's a smart investment, offering tailored solutions compared to the hassle of buying a whole new house. Plus, working with local builders ensures your new addition blends seamlessly with your existing home, enhancing both its looks and how you live from day one. You'll learn heaps today, from leading benefits and practical ideas to cost comparisons and value-adding insights. Let's get cracking. Right, let's talk about some cracking design ideas. First up, open plan living. This is a top choice, literally knocking down walls to connect your kitchen, dining and lounge areas. Imagine abundant natural light streaming through large windows, making your space feel huge and welcoming. Especially around Lake Macquarie, this design truly maximises those stunning water views, blurring the lines between indoors and out. Then there's the double-storey extension, perfect if you're running out of ground space but love your backyard. Going up can double your living area, adding extra bedrooms, a luxury parents' retreat, or that much-needed home office. It's ideal for growing families who want to stay in their beloved neighbourhood. Custom builders can tailor every detail, from energy-efficient windows to beautiful finishes, ensuring your extension perfectly complements your existing home. Whether it's a quiet study or a vibrant playroom, flexibility is key. Now, if you're lucky enough to call Lake Macquarie home, embracing that unique waterfront lifestyle with a tailored extension is a no-brainer. Think raised decks, expansive glass doors, and spaces perfect for alfresco dining as you watch the sunset. These extensions become the heart of the home, boosting both property value and your quality of life. And for those modern Australian lives, adding a home office is a leading trend. Design it for productivity with ergonomic furniture, natural light, and built-in storage. Beyond interior spaces, extending your living area outdoors is brilliant for the Newcastle climate. Custom alfresco areas, patios or decks bring entertainment and relaxation right to your doorstep, connecting seamlessly with your garden. These outdoor zones are fantastic for family, friends, or just some peaceful solo time, and they definitely add value. We're talking year-round enjoyment here, folks. Choosing between extending up with a story extension or building out is a common conundrum. Going up generally offers more space and preserves your yard, but can be pricier and take longer. Building out is often quicker and cheaper, but uses up outdoor space. In areas like Newcastle and Lake Macquarie, where land values are high, going up can maximise your return on investment. But no matter which way you lean, sustainability is key. Eco-friendly extensions with double glazing, solar panels and recycled materials aren't just good for the planet, they future-proof your home and reduce running costs. And this is crucial. Real success comes from collaborating closely with trusted local builders. They understand the area's style, climate, and council regulations inside out, offering invaluable guidance from planning permits to the final finish. This partnership ensures your extension is spot on, enduring for generations. So, what about the dollars and cents? Costs vary widely, but a single-story extension typically ranges from $50,000 to $120,000, while a double-storey can go up to $250,000. These are just averages, mind you, and depend on your chosen finishes and home specifications. It's always best to get tailored estimates from local custom home experts who know the Newcastle NSW market. And when it comes to permits, most extensions need development approval or a complying development certificate. Your local builder will be a wizard at navigating this, securing your permits hassle-free. Living in your home during the build is usually possible, especially for staged projects, but discuss disruptions with your builder. Remember, a well-planned home extension not only adds functional space, but significantly boosts your property's value and your overall quality of life. It's about creating that dream makeover. If you're ready, give us a buzz at 0401 746 299 to chat about your project. Every great journey begins with a spark, doesn't it? For us, that moment of clarity hit hard when we saw countless homeowners overwhelmed. They were dreaming of transforming their spaces, perhaps with a stunning home extension in Newcastle, but drowned in a sea of information. Endless articles, conflicting advice, and the sheer complexity of building projects left them feeling lost before they even started. That's where A Real Highlights was conceived. We realised there was a massive gap. People needed quick, enticing summaries, the real highlights, if you will, to cut through the noise. They craved actionable takeaways and expert insights delivered in a friendly, digestible format to empower them to take the first confident step towards their dream home. We wanted to be that beacon, simplifying the complex and connecting them to the trusted expertise they deserved. It was a simple yet profound idea: bring clarity to the chaos. Of course, brilliant ideas don't always translate into smooth sailing, do they? Our journey had its fair share of bumps. One of the biggest hurdles was building immediate trust. In a world saturated with information, how do you stand out as the definitive source for real highlights? We weren't just summarizing, we were distilling complex architectural and property insights into bite-sized, engaging narratives. This demanded meticulous research, expert review, and a commitment to accuracy, all while maintaining that approachable, conversational tone. Market skepticism was another challenge. Some wondered if AI could truly capture the nuance of human expertise. But we pressed on, demonstrating our value through consistently high-quality content, always linking back to the human experts and the deeper dive for those who sought it. It was a tough slog, but every positive comment, every aha moment from a listener fueled our determination to keep going. The breakthrough moment wasn't a sudden explosion, but rather a series of aha moments that accumulated into undeniable momentum. I remember a particularly heartfelt email from a listener, a couple in Lake Macquarie. They'd been procrastinating on their extension plans for years, feeling paralysed by indecision. Our A Real Highlights on open plan living and the value of local builders gave them the confidence to finally book a consultation. Hearing their excitement, knowing we'd help them overcome that initial inertia, was incredibly rewarding. It wasn't just about the numbers, it was about the real human impact. We saw the ripple effect: more inquiries for our expert partners, more confident homeowners, and a growing community actively engaging with our content. That's when we truly understood the power of concise, credible information delivered with a genuine voice. We knew we were onto something truly special, making a tangible difference in people's lives. Today, A Real Highlights stands proudly as a trusted voice in property transformation, and our mission has never clearer: to empower homeowners across Newcastle, Lake Macquarie, and the wider Hunter Valley to confidently embark on their home extension journeys. We envision a future where complex property decisions are demystified, making dream homes more accessible to everyone. We continue to scour the best articles, distill the most crucial insights, and connect our listeners with top-tier local experts, ensuring every piece of advice is practical, relevant, and actionable. Our vision extends beyond just summaries. It's about fostering a community where knowledge is shared, questions are answered, and inspiring transformations are celebrated. We believe that with the right information and the right team, every existing home has the potential to become a truly extraordinary dream home. That's what drives us every single day. So if you're listening to this, and those dreams of a stunning new kitchen, an extra bedroom, or that perfect home office are staring, consider this your personal invitation. Don't let the overwhelm of planning or the sheer volume of information hold you back. Let A Real Highlights be your compass, pointing you towards clarity and confidence. We invite you to explore the full articles we highlight, connect with our expert network, and imagine the incredible possibilities for your own home. Whether you're just starting to gather ideas or you're ready to take the plunge, remember that a well-informed decision is the best foundation for any successful home transformation. Join our community. Stay tuned for more real highlights, and when you're ready to turn those dreams into reality, don't hesitate to book a call with our experts. Your dream home journey begins now, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Cheers!